how to clone your voice and how to change video speech. So in order to change video speech, this is what you're going to do. You're going to open your Play Store or your App Store. You're going to go to your search bar and you're going to search for dreamface. So when you see dreamface, you're going to click on dreamface AI and you're going to download dreamface AI. The next thing is that you're going to have the video that you want to clone the voice and you want to change the speech. So I'm going to show you guys that video now. Alright guys, so this is the video that we're going to change the voice and clone the speech. So let me just let you guys hear the video, then I'm going to start cloning the voice.
Mistake, but he's too shy to say anything because men are famously really shy and really afraid of going after what they want.
So you guys heard the video and you heard how it sounded. Now we're going to clone the voice. So in order to clone the voice and change the speech, this is what we're going to do. We are going to open the dreamface app. Then we are going to see a lot of buttons. We are going to click on video lip sync. Then it's going to load up a bit and you're going to see different options. Now we are going to click on this button called avatar and we're going to choose the video. So you guys can see the video over here. We're going to click on the video. We're going to click confirm. So you guys can see the video. What are we going to do now? So we're going to write what we want the video to say. So let's just say we want the video to say something else. So I'm going to swipe down and I'm going to open ChatGPT. I'm going to type, say what makes you happy as a woman for 2 minutes. And I'm going to click on send. So once I click on send, AI is going to generate what makes it happy as a woman. So this is just for educational purposes. I'm just showing you guys how to change video speech and clone voice on your Android. So I'm going to copy this, and when I copy this, I'm going to come back to my dreamface and I'm going to paste it here. Then I'm going to click on confirm. So once I click on confirm, I'm going to click on voice. So now, you know we've not cloned the voice yet, so I'm going to show you guys how you can clone the voice. So all you're going to do is this. Click on my voice, you click on create new voice, you click on voice from video, then you select your video. So once you select your video, it's going to take out 30 seconds of that video's voice. Then you're going to click on confirm. So you're going to click on continue. So name the voice. Let's just name it woman. I'm going to click on continue. So you can see that it is uploading. So depending on your internet speed, it's going to take some time. Then you can see it is preparing the voice. That means it is cloning the voice. So I'm going to wait for the voice to clone. Alright guys, so it has fully loaded and you can see my voice, woman. So I'm just going to click on the woman voice and I'm going to click on confirm. And I'm going to click on animate. So if you are enjoying this video, by the way, please subscribe, like. Let's see how it will be. So I'm going to click on animate image and it's going to start animating everything for me. Now that it has finished, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this my profile. And you can see the video that will change the speech over here. And I'm going to play the video so you guys can hear it.
As a woman, what makes me happy often revolves around connection, empowerment, and self-expression. First and foremost, meaningful relationships with friends and family bring joy and laughter into my life. It's those moments of support, love, and shared experiences that create lasting happiness.
Alright guys, so to save the video, all you're going to click on is save in HD. And once you click on save in HD, you can see it's saved to album. So to view the video separately, I'm going to go to my gallery and I'm just going to play the video.
As a woman, what makes me happy often revolves around connection, empowerment, and self-expression. First and foremost, meaningful relationships with friends and family bring joy and laughter into my life. It's those moments of support, love, and shared experiences that create lasting happiness.
This app can actually still do another stuff. So, for example, if you want to make an image to talk, you can actually do that with the dreamface app. So, for example, let's go to pet listen. Alright, so I'm gonna click on that pet. Alright, so I'm gonna click on try now. Alright, so I'm gonna click on pet. Then I'm gonna look for an image that I want the image to, talk. So let me scroll down a little bit and let's go with this one here. So I'm going to click on confirm. Then I'm going to I'll click on the text, then I'm going to click on type. And if you have search for music if you want it to sing music, and if you want to import, you can decide to import. If you want to record, you can decide for it to record. But for now, I'm going to type, so I will just say I just want you to know. Alright, so I will click on confirm. Sorry about the naughty stuff that I'm typing. So I'm going to click on confirm. Then here you can see where it says voice. I'm going to click on the voice. Then to select the voice, how I want the voice to sound. For example,
you have a wonderful day.
So if it's the female voice you want, just click on the female. Then everything here is going to be
Welcome to Dreamface. Wishing you have a wonderful day.
Look for the one that really sounds natural. No, that's not good. Side now. So the rest one are pro, but we can still, you can still look for anyone that is better. So this Lisa is kind of pro, right? The Lisa voice is kind of pro, even maybe the Sarah or something, but I think the Lisa is kind of pro. So and if you're looking for celebrity, you can see at the end here we have celebrity voices there. So click on confirm. Then click on animate. Then they are going to ask you to select the part that you want it to animate. So I'm going to zoom back a little bit or so. Like I want to get. Alright, so let's click on confirm and see. So let's just relax a little bit and see what we have. Service busy, it may take a while, about 5 minutes, so you just have to be patient and wait for it.
I just want that. You are my everything but with 54.5 with 10 beat, or me. I just want that. You are my everything but with 54.5 with 10 beat, or me.
So alright, so you can see how awesome it is. You can see this is just normal image that I turned to video right now, and it's talking video for that matter, right? So this is very awesome. So once you are done with it, there is a name there, dreamface. You can't take the tag off, but this is what I want you to do. Look at the button that the download button there. Just click on the download button, then it's going to save. So once you're done saving, then you go to your phone, your photo. I'm using an iPhone, so you click on it, you play it. So you click on this. So then you click on this three horizontal line down here for edit. You click on it, then you click on crop. Then you just crop it to crop the stuff from, and now you have it. So if you play it now, the logo is gone. So you see how it is, right? So you see how it is. So this app can actually do more. Alright, you can come here. You can see image to video, text to image, text to video. You can do that as well. So if you come here now, you can see a lot of stuff, right? If you come here, you can use it to create news. Do you understand? Most of you already see when I do all this. Okay, maybe make sure you subscribe to my YouTube account, right? Subscribe to my YouTube account because I'm going to post this